Hey guys, it's your girl Sweet Curly Goddess, and I'm coming to you today with a beauty routine kind of from my ONYX box. So real quick, I don't know if you guys are subscribed to any kind of beauty boxes. I'm actually subscribed to two. So I'm subscribed to this ONYX box and actually BoxyCharm. But this ONYX box is pretty awesome. It's geared for women of color, and look at this box. Like, how could you not love this box? Like, it's all different shades of women of color, all different hair textures, all different styles. I absolutely love it. And it's a monthly subscription. This is actually my second month receiving one. And in this, you actually receive 4 to 5 different kind of products, and sometimes you'll receive some products that are from women of color, and that's pretty awesome. So every month it has a theme, and this theme's month is actually deep breath, and perfect because I'm all about deep breathing and taking care of yourself. Self-care is really important, whether it is a little mini spa day for yourself, taking care of your face, which is what we're going to be doing today, or anything else. And this is awesome. So it came in this month. Actually, we had a bonus product as well, or some bonus products as well. And I won't really talk about those because this is all about my face. But look at this beauty. This is so beautiful. In the back, there's a list of the different products that comes in the box, and actually how much they cost, and it's pretty awesome. I pretty much used all of these already, just saying, besides what I'm gonna use in this video. But we're gonna start off with the first thing. So I'm doing 3 different things today. I'm going to be using this, sorry if I pronounce anything wrong, but Pewilben. This is actually a Uplift Herbal facial steam. I'm going to be using that first, and I'm going to be using this Skinesque on my face. It's a brightening serum, and I'm also going to be using these eye pad patches. This is from Patchology. It's a flash patch. It's a rejuvenating eye gel. So first things first, we're going to read the instructions because we don't want to do anything wrong here. So it says to use 1 or 2 tablespoons of the Herbal. And that is what we're going to do here. Okay, and it says to cover your head with a warm towel. I'm guessing just to protect yourself just in case, because it's going to be in a steaming hot thing of water. So it's going to be in here. I don't know if you see the steam, but it's in hot water. And basically what you're going to do is put the 2 tablespoons in, 1 to 2. I'm going to put 2 because I like adding more things. That's just how I am. That's how I roll. So I'm going to add them. Oh, this is awesome. That smells like chamomile and mint. Yeah, spearmint, peppermint, rosemary, jasmine, fennel, eucalyptus, rose petals, juniper, berries, larkspur. I don't know what larkspur is, but this is actually an organic product. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon actually because 2 tablespoons look like a lot. So I'm using 1 tablespoon, dropping it into the water. Oh, it says over the steep blend for up to 10 minutes. Okay, so we're going to do 10 minutes, up to 10 minutes. I don't know where I was reading 2 minutes before. So we're going to do 10 minutes, and clock starts now. It was 10 minutes, and my face feels nice. So basically what I'm doing here is opening my pores. And I think that it's important to open your pores to cleanse them, especially if you wear a lot of makeup. And this is why I probably really like this month's box. It's really nice. You need to take care of your face when you wear makeup, or if you're sweaty, whatever it is, you need to take care of your face. And this deep steam, not only does it smell good, first of all, caution, make sure you have a table, which I have one here, that you put the hot boiling water on because it's hot boiling water. And the reason why they recommend to put a towel over your head is because, again, it's hot boiling water. And they're probably trying to protect your edges and your, from frizzing up. If it's going to frizz up, they're trying to protect you too. But it's really nice. You can do a steam with or without this, but I actually like using some type of like drop or some type of steam because it does, something. I haven't used leaves before in any of my face steams because I didn't really think about that. But this actually is really nice, just refreshing. It goes through your pores, opens them up, and it actually helps with your breathing as well. Like, it's nice and relaxing. It goes through, and you just feel good. So I would highly recommend this, and I think that you should definitely do this on a spa day, on your girl spa day. Anyway, so I just wiped down my face. And what I'm going to be doing is washing my face using this skin. So it says gentle foaming cleanser with papaya and apple extracts. Okay, you fancy, huh? So I'm going to tell you what it says to do here. It says gentle foaming cleanser. It's a cream-based cleanser, deeply cleanses and removes impurities from clear and smooth skin. So that's good. Papaya and apple extract naturally exfoliates the skin to reveal a bright complexion. Okay. I mean, I'm looking a little bright right now, so we'll see. So this is step 1. Ooh, it's not a lot. So basically this this thing here, oh, I already ripped it. I can't even show you. So it's a 3-step procedure, basically a 3-step procedure like you in surgery. That's basically what it is. So it's 3 steps, and this is the first step to apply to your face. And lather cleansing foam with water and massage into face. So I got water here. Apply a face and neck, gently pat for better absorption. All right. So I guess and then step 3. This is the last step. Step 3 is a brightening charcoal black mask is going to be applied to my face, and I'm going to be leaving it on for 15 to 20 minutes. I will not rinse it off. Okay, guys, so that was 20 minutes, and I'm gonna rub it in to my face. I actually like how this feels. Oh, I don't know, guys. What do you think about my face? I mean, I think it does look a little brighter from what it did earlier. I wish I was closer so you guys could have seen the difference, but I'm gonna open. So this charcoal mask was really nice. I've had charcoal mask before that left my skin high and dry, and I have a really sensitive skin, so anything that is too harsh on my skin will break me out. And these breakouts are from something else that I was using, but my face feels nice. It feels moisturized, and I like this. So this is something that's portable that you can actually bring with you on vacation or wherever you. This is like, my face feels so great. What the heck? Like, I absolutely like how my face feels. I don't even want to use this thing right now. So I wanted to use this Patchology under my eyelids while I talk about this. And okay, I don't even want to put it on there. My face looks awesome. Wow. I am going to, for the sake of the video, I'm going to use this Patchology. So it actually asks to leave it in for 5 minutes, which are on for 5 minutes, which I'm going to do. I've actually been using these under eye patches quite often. Do I like them? I don't know. Am I seeing results? I'm not sure. It's kind of slippery. Oh, I kind of like this more than the one I had in the last video. Oh, I don't know. These look like you can probably reuse them if you wanted to, but it says to throw it out as soon as you're done. They're slipping. They're slipping. They're slipping. All right. So, really quick about this. Yeah, they're slipping. I think because my face is already moisturized. Okay, so really quick about this brightening mask. It's made of oak tree charcoal. It's microcellular structure, firmly bonds to the face, deeply absorbs toxins and impurities, and allows for the essence to penetrate deeply into the skin, which this is not working for me right now. It's not staying. It's not staying. All right, and 5 minutes, guys. Leaving this on for 5 minutes. Starting now. Okay, so I mean, I actually really liked it. So I think that it was pretty interesting. The steps, I actually wish that step 3, which was the black charcoal mask, was first before the adding the Hydra Essence, because you're moisturizing your skin, and I felt like step 2 was moisturizing your skin. So why not add some additional moisture to your skin when, you know, you're doing this? So I don't know. I actually really like this. I highly recommend Skinesque. And this was my first time using it. Like, we'll see. I mean, I like it. I like seeing results right away. I don't like seeing results 20 days after. Like, give me results here, now, and let me be happy. Like, let me be great. You know what I mean? So, I would recommend this. There's actually another one in the box that I can't wait to try. This one is a Hydrate Nourish Anti-Wrinkle. I mean, I ain't got no wrinkles except for, like, right here. But, you know, get rid of those and see how that happens. It does recommending using the mask for 2 to 3 times a week, which I can see, like, if you used it 2 to 3 times a week, you would look like you would always have a glow. Like, your glow would be bomb. You would have, like, bomb glow. Like, you just be bomb. Like, straight up. Straight up. So I like it. I don't know. I really like this. So right now we're just waiting for this to be 5 minutes. Obviously, I'm having an epic fail right now. Like, this is an epic fail. So, advice, maybe not do this when you're doing a mask. Maybe do it if you're doing a dry mask or something. Where, yeah, because, no, it ain't sticking. My face feels so awesome. Like, my face feels great. Okay, guys, so that was 5 minutes. I'm going to massage this into my skin and see how I like that. Honestly, I'm not sure if I have, like, real results because it was slipping. Here's my clear-cut review on these products. So, first of all, awesome job on this Herbal facial steam. I absolutely love this. I think it's really important to actually do a pore cleanse or a pore opening when you're doing an actual, like, facial, when you're focusing on your face, because of the different products that you use on your face, especially if you wear makeup. You want to open your pores up, and then afterwards a good mask is very perfect to do. And I actually really appreciated this one. So I really love this moisturizer, or not the moisturizer, this cleansing foam. what was it again? Papaya and apple extracts is what it was made out of. That thing felt awesome, amazing. And honestly, I'm very like minimal when it comes to any kind of facial products because of the fact that my skin is super, super sensitive and it really does break out type easy if there's a product that does not go with my face. I don't break out a lot, but when I do break out, no, it's probably a product I use that basically was like, no way. That's not for you, girl. Don't do it again. So I really like this. I absolutely think that this Hydra Essence sodium, I'm not even going to try to pronounce it right now. No, I'm not going to do that to myself. But I think that was actually awesome. I love to use that on its own. And this brightening mask, I've tried charcoal mask before that because of what it did to my face afterwards. And I'm like, no, my face is dry. My face is, even after I applied some kind of moisturizer, usually my moisturizer is shea butter. That's what I use. But this, like, my face is soft. Like, it's just soft. My face is bright. It's beautiful. I really like how my face is looking. And honestly, clean face, I'm not applying any makeup right now, but with a beautiful, clear, clean face, bright the way it is, yo, right now, if I put some makeup on, my skin would be super smooth. You'd be like, listen, what's going on here? That's what you'd be saying right now. Seriously. But I like this. I did. And for these eye patches, I don't think I have a real review for it because I think it really needed to be used on its own. It says it's a rejuvenating eye gel. So, I mean, yeah, I don't know. I'm not too sure. I did like it. I like when I can see that there's product there. That means there's something there that's going to be working. And I mean, right now I'm all moisturized up. So I really appreciate it. Anyways, guys, so first of all, thank you for coming back to my channel. And I forgot to mention in the beginning of this video, hello, if you did not subscribe, hit the subscribe button down below. Subscribe to my channel, you know what I mean? Like, I got different things that I'm doing. And you know, I'm coming up, I'm doing what I'm trying to do. Show me some love. Show me you like what I'm doing. Show me something in the comments. And first of all, if you have this ONYX box, let me know. Leave some comments. Let's start a conversation. Do you have a beauty box? Do you like your beauty box? Do you have an ONYX box? Do you like your ONYX box? What's going on? Because honestly, this month's box is all about like spa essential, like taking care of yourself, self-care. Really important. You know, take care of yourself first or else you can't take care of anyone else. All right, guys. Anyways, share this video with everybody. Let them know Sweet Curly Goddess sent you. Okay, bye guys.